We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP CP3525 printer, and we're going to show you how to manage your supplies inside the printer. So we're going to help you keep an eye on your toners and things like that. That way it makes it much easier to kind of know exactly how much toner you have, when you're going to need to change it, things of that nature. So it's really simple. Obviously, if you look at your display screen, you have a quick little reference on how much toner you have in each one of your toners. There's a quick little bar graph kind of showing you how much is in each one of your color toners. But if you want more information, it's really simple to print that out and find that out. So what you're going to do is go down to your arrow keys here on your control panel, and you're going to scroll down until you find information. Once you have information selected, click OK. And then we're going to use the down arrow again to go down until we find print supply status page. Make sure that's selected and hit OK. So once this prints out, it's going to show us a lot of information about what's going on inside the printer so that we can make a better decision as far as having backups ready and available so that the printer's not going to run out of toner or anything like that. So let's see here. So this is your supply status page. You see there's a much more detailed bar graph for each one of your toner cartridges. There's also a lot of information underneath each one of those bar graphs. So it tells you how many pages has been printed, approximately how many pages are remaining to be printed. Tells you the first install date, so you kind of have a better idea as far as how long that toner's been in there, and so it kind of again gives you a better idea as far as how long these cartridges are lasting you. So you know if you're going to need a backup sooner or later, and you're not waiting for the last second for the printer to tell you to replace the cartridge. There's nothing worse than coming up to a big print job and you notice that that warning's flashing across that you need to replace a cartridge. You weren't aware of it and you don't have a backup ready and you're not sure if you're going to make it through that print job. So printing stuff like this out and keeping an eye on it is going to go a long way from preventing that from happening. Again, there's just a lot of information. It also tells you how much is left on your fuser kit and some of your maintenance kit items. So again, you can kind of manage everything inside the printer, know where things are, and just keep a much closer eye on everything. That way you're not waiting for the last second for the printer to tell you something needs to be replaced. You can kind of plan on it and make sure everything's scheduled and taken care of ahead of time. I hope that helps. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply you with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx and we'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day in your backup and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.